Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So recently Google has been did some changes while uploading the application in the Play Store. So we bought one new game that we will going to publish in our Play console. So as you can see, these are the images, and we have been taken all the description and images, all in the information we have been taken. So we already taken our policies and description and everything. So let's go and start our with the name of the app. So we're going to copy our app name and all those things. So let's start, and we're going to publish our app. Okay, just create an app. I'll just so just app name, and it's a game and it's free. So if I'm doing quite fast, so you can able to see, you can pause and you can see each and every information. So we have been creating now, it's been loading here, and this is an old console, so there is a not required of the 20 testers like that. So you can able to publish your app, and if each and everything is right, so it will going to publish in within a 1 hour. If every policy and the details which you have been entered it is right, so it will going to publish in the quite within a 1 hour like that. So we have to set up here, and we have to add here policies. So this is our policy. I haven't created all my policy and information over here. Just go back, app access. So my app has been not having any logging functions here right now. So yes, of course it's contain the ads in my app. Who are required the 20 testers? Are you required apps or games, any kind of a application, task application or game, any rewarded ad, any kind of a app? Please let us know, we will going to help you out. So I will just copy the mail ID, and it's a game, and I agreed to terms. So I will save the mail ID also. I forgot to save the mail ID here. I'm going to copy the website also here. Okay, so we will just do the no to each and everything. No. Just save it. Just read everything. If you feel that if anything is there in that, so you just click on S, and in the disclaimer you need to add what is the information you have been taking. If any volumes or anything, you have to mention in that. So my targeted agency age is 18 plus. I was not getting much time to fix my website also. So news application, no. Data safety, this is the most complicated part here. So this is a data safety. Yes, the says it's you are collecting the, yes, we have been collecting because we are showing the ad, so we have been collecting here. Map does not require to create an account. Yeah. No, I will click it. So here it is only the game, so we are not taking much information, only crash record, ignores, and device ID, because in the ads we have been going to take this kind of things, so that's we have to define here. So yes, we will going to collect here. No, yes, then this information we have been taking, yes, collect it. So what are the information you have been taking, you need to take each and everything, but make sure each app has a different kind of a function, so different kind of a collecting information you will have, you have to declare those things. Okay, so don't be get confused, otherwise your account will going to get a terminate if you are not following the Google policies, because data safety is the most complicated part in the publishing your app. Rest of the things are the very simple. but the data policy only is the most important thing. So it's asking for there is a government app. No, it's not a government app, because if we are doing any slightly changes also in the data safety which is not there in your app, then it will going to get much problem. Map does not provide any financial features here. No health information also, it's not going to take anything. Just go back and okay, here is the app category. So here you need to mention the categories here. uh, action I will keep it, because it's like an shooting game it is there, so that's the reason I'm keeping as a action only. So I will keep a filter of action and adventure. I will keep action and adventure, fight, hunt. Oh, I think it's okay. The four only I can able to take. And here is information of website and email ID, so that's the reason I have been saved here. So the may website ID app website I'm writing because in that add.txt have been added, so that's the reason I'm keeping here. So again you I don't require to add the anything. Step list. So here we will going to write our description and everything. Lights of force, long description, and here I will write my policy link here. So this has been a policy link here, so I will paste it here, so it will be very easy. And what so I need to upload my logo here, and this is in a logo. I think I fix the sizes. So here is some new features has been added here. So the graphic images, here is a graphic images. I have been adding the graphic images, and video I have been not uploading, and rest of the images. So these are the images I have been uploading here. And tablet size also. What are the stars it's been showing here? As you can see, this is a star, so which are the star things are there, that is important. And the 10 inches tab also it's also showing to me. So I think I don't have those kind of a sizes, but also I've been uploading. If it is taken, it's fine, otherwise I'll going to remember it's taken. And there is a new section has been added. So here you can see there is some guidance has been uploaded here. So that is for the PC, Google playing games on the PC. So I will try to see, I don't take any thing here, so let's see whether it is going to take it or not. Because I don't take in this kind of information here, I will try to resize the images. Image resize. I need to find the logo here. So I think it should be in the game. I think I have made the logo. And what is the size it's been showing here? That is 600 into 400 pixels. 600 into 400 pixels. It is 600 into 400. So let's see whether it is going to support or not. I don't think so it will going to support, but let's try our best. So okay, let's wait it. it's not happening, so we will going to try with our screenshot. So we're going to click, and we will going to see whether it's going to take any screenshots here, but I don't think so it is going to take, because the pixel size is been different. So I does not created any images here right now. So if you want, we can able to upload, but let me take the screenshots whether it is going to take it or not, because I don't get a much time to fix all those things, so that's the reason I could not able to take it. Okay, so it's been optional, they are not mentioned any star mark here, so you need to upload. As you can see, here is showing the star mark, but here is not showing, so that's a fine, just save it. Okay, now we have to go back, and let's see our no, it's fine. No, it has been an old console, so we don't require 20 testers, all those things. Just create a publish. Now you have to check for all the countries, because it's a game, so I have been allowing to all the countries here. Just save it and create for a new release. It's been taking us got time, and upload it. So this is version 1, and I will copy the description while that time. So we will going to we're going to paste it here, our information. So it's been uploading here. It's take quite time, because the file is quite I think it's around 80 MB or 45 MB it is the file. So it's nothing to be worried. So it's been uploaded, so we have to do the next. It should be not get any error, because I does not added enough purchases also in this, so I have been removed that. So just save it. So while it's go on under review, there will be one error, that is the ad policy. As I find there is a view the issue here, so we have to complete our Android 13 policy. Just yes, and apply as, then save, and go on overview. So just send for the changes and send for the review. So as you can see, there is a whatever the changes you want to do, you can able to change. It's going to take in 14 minutes to 13 minutes. It will going to check each and every description and everything. After everything is fine, it will going to get a live. So here no required of the 20 testers, as says showing not at sent for a review. So just do the refresh to your page, and it will going to show that it has sent for a review. uh, so it's been showing as in a review. So I hope you people like our video. So if you people think that our video is very good, please like and subscribe. If you need kind of a 20 tester service or app or agency or concept for the ads, you can contact to us for any kind of ads promotion also, you can be able to contact. Thank you so much.